is it allowed to eat a cheese pizza in a non-Muslim restaurant? The question is being asked if it is allowed to eat a cheese pizza from any non-Muslim pizza store or something, restaurant. We can say there's many things we have to understand. The cheese itself is we found from many companies that they use some type of material and the ingredients that has an enzymes in that, and I would not recommend that unless there's a halal restaurant who's being using the halal cheese which does not have any kind of ingredient from enzymes from a dead animals or the dead cow or any animal, because we don't know that. So usually this happens at American cheese. If you look into the ingredients, we will be able to find they're using some type of materials, flavors, which is haram for a Muslim. Now this is the one topic, and the second topic is even if we eat cheese pizza from a non-Islamic restaurant, we have to understand that the cutter they use and the hands they use, the gloves they use, and the plate they use the same plate, same knife, same gloves, same everything to make the cheese pizza. So there is no way we can get rid of that. There's no way with that we can say ourselves, no, this is halal, it's okay. This is not halal. We have to understand they're using the same gloves, same knife, and the plate they use, the same oven and the same plate where they put the pizza on there and they put it in the oven. They use everything the same materials. They're using the same utensils and the dishes and the plates and everything. They're using the same where they make their bacons and pork and many other meat that we are unable to eat it. So we have to stay away from, regardless, or even it's a cheese pizza or they are offering a vegetable food. So I would not recommend it to go there. Myself, I do not go there. I used to go there, but when I come to get more knowledge, I understand that how they're making a pizza and veggie burgers, or it could be a McDonald's, or it could be Taco Bell or Burger King or Wendy's, whatever the fast food is. We cannot trust them because they use the same plate, same gloves, and the same knife, same plate, same table, same everything. So it is better to find a halal restaurant where they make a halal pizza. So at least they will be using halal ingredients, and even they're using gloves and the same tabletop, and they're using a same oven and the plates and everything, but they are having a halal meat in there, so and halal chicken we are able to eat in there. So I would not recommend you to go to any fast non-Muslim fast food.